one first. So I'm gonna try to saturate like maybe, let's see, like 33% of this wig. And I'm going to put the pink at the top and do it in sections, so it all, like, no matter what you do when you part it, it always goes pink, purple, and blue. Now, I do wish I would have done like purple at the root or like blue instead of the pink. The pink doesn't look off the bat like it's gonna come out very bright, but it turns really, really bright, which kind of freaked me out a little bit, but you gotta make things work sometimes.
My name might ask who it belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't, and I won't. But if I was your girl,
adding the purple in it, and then after I do the purple, I'm obviously going to do the blue. So for the whole entire processing time, including applying the color to this hair, it was about like maybe like an hour or so. Now I left this on after for about 20 more minutes because I wanted to make sure it was really saturated. So this is what it looks like. Now I do like it straight like this. Obviously I have to add some touch-ups to it, but it's a little flat for me, so I definitely was like, I'm not gonna like this like that. But I do like the color overall, so what I'm gonna end up doing is just going in and deep waving it like I usually do. People, for the sake of trying something new out, I attempted this unicorn style unit. Now, this is not something that I usually do on my channel, but I tried to do something different just because I'm bringing you guys a little bit of different fire. So this hair color was achieved using the Kiss hair dye, and I got it from the beauty supply store. So this was actually priced very well this time, guys. So I got all 3 box hair dyes for about $15. They were $4.49 plus tax, so it was a great deal. Now, Adore is definitely a great hair dye to use, and I've used it in the past, but I wanted to try something different out and see kind of, you know, what their level of, you know, quality was. So as far as the hair dye goes, guys, I think the hair dye is actually pretty good. The hair coloring came out very successful, but one thing I want to mention to you guys, I would definitely highly recommend you mix the actual hair dye with developer. It does come in the bottle, but I kind of feel like the bottle dye is a little too thick, and to dilute it a little bit, it's definitely important to mix it with a little bit of 40 volume developer or whatever developer you have laying around, because the volume doesn't really matter. It's going to pick up the color if the hair is 613. So this unit came to me 613, guys. It's a full lace wig. It has 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. Now, as far as this wig fitting, guys, it actually fit pretty good. Now, I did have to go in and customize the ear tabs just because they didn't land the right way that I wanted it to. And some of the parts were actually sitting on my ear besides going directly in front of my ear. So I had to kind of fix that up. So all you do is just kind of cut it and customize it to your your head. The cap itself was actually good, but like I said, the ear tabs were just kind of a little too large in this area. So all I did was cut them up a little bit and try to fit it. Now, as far as baby hair goes, don't even ask me about that because I didn't do it. I don't know if anyone else mentions this in their videos who do colored hairs. Baby hairs are extremely hard to do with colored hair. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's kind of like your the foundation that's on my face already that mixes in with the color, or whatever contrast happens, it just never works out that well. So I opt just to leave it the way it is. What I did was glue the unit down and then allow the baby hairs to stick to whatever got to be glued was left on my forehead, and that's where the baby hairs are created. And it's just basically kind of like one of those natural kind of flipped styles. I did initially try to do a part on this one, but the part to me was just a no bueno. It just didn't work out as well as I expected it to, so I just decided just to do a flip over method. And you guys already know what it is. Crimping is my thing, so I did do like a nice deep wave set to it to kind of give you guys the full unicorn, full mermaid colored style effect. I definitely think that the pink is a little bit too bright for me. I do like the purple and the blue. I feel like the purple and the blue transition very well and it looks like nice, but I kind of feel like I should have got a darker pink. The pink is darker at the root, but when you get like a little towards the middle, it just gets bright. So it's a little bit throw offy, but I can deal with this. I can actually work with this one pretty well. Alright, so that basically wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was informative on how I showed you guys how I dyed this hair and stuff like that. Now, I will leave all the information down below in regards to the hair dyes that I used to achieve this color, along with this unit that was sent to me from perfectlacewigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.